Right guys, I thought I'd just do a review of this mat. When I got it, it was about well, a couple of days ago, and just paid about £13 for it on eBay. So I was really surprised with the quality of the mat. You have these little ridgets where you can put your screws. It's numbered from 1 to 124. So basically, if you're opening an iPhone or something in here, you can put your screws in an order. Plus you've got a little magnet bit right at the top, and as you can see there are two of them, and this is basically you can put your tools like your spatulas and all that kind of stuff, and then you got the compartment for your little bits and bobs. Then you've got these 3 containers as well, and not that good off. I don't know how long they're going to last with this piece here. Maybe after a couple of times opening closing may break off, I'm not sure, but basically I've just put it at the moment, so I don't know. Then you've got this bit where you can put your screwdrivers. Let me just show you in there, or you can stand them up. So it's quite a nice mat. And then you have these bits here, they're numbered as well from A1 to A41. So if you've got like screws that you want to put in there, or some little parts, when you're opening something, you can do them as well on this side. So not a bad little mat for £13, and plus it's for your soldering. Yeah, it's heat resistance, and you got a ruler at the bottom. I don't know what you're going to do with the ruler at the bottom, but still it's something there. And let me just show you the bottom side of it, and it's basically easy to clean as well. So I thought just do this little review, just getting back into YouTube videos, so just doing this on the iPhone for the start. Then I should be going back to my camera soon.